Class 8 Maths. Chapter 3 Algebra. Today we are discuss about the exercise 3.3. Second question. Expand the first subdivision 3 plus m the whole cube. Second subdivision 2a plus 5 the whole cube. Third subdivision 3p plus 4q the whole cube. Fourth subdivision 52 the whole cube. Fifth subdivision 104 the whole cube. Solution for first subdivision 3 plus m the whole cube. Comparing 3 plus m the whole cube with the identity a plus b the whole cube. Okay, then first one a value 3, then b value m. Okay, substitute the value the given identity. A plus b the whole cube is equal to, then formula a squared plus 3a squared b plus 3a b squared plus b cube. Then a value 3, b value m. Then next equal to a value 3, b value m. Okay, then plus 3, a value 3, b value m. Then b squared means m squared plus b value m, then b cube means m cube. Then 3 plus m the whole cube is equal to 3 power 3. 3 write 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Okay. Then first one is 27. Next 3 into 3 power 2. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Then given one m, then m. The next 3 3s are 9. 9 into m squared, 9m squared. Then m cube. Okay. Then first write given variable, then m cube plus 9m squared plus 27m plus 27. The next one, second subdivision, then comparing 2a plus 5 the whole cube with the a plus p the whole cube. Then a value 2a, b value 5. Substitute the given identity. Then a value 2a, b value 5. Then a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3a b squared plus b cube. Then first one a cube value 2a the whole cube plus 3 into a squared. A value 2a, the square means put square, b value 5. Then next 3a b squared. 3 a value 2a, b value 5 the 5 squared plus b value 5 the 5 cube. Okay, then 2a cube, then 2a cube, then 2a write in 3 times. 2a into 2a into 2a. Okay, then 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, a into a squared into a cube. Okay, next one 3 into 2a the whole squared into 5. 2a write to 2 times. 2 2s are 4, a into a squared. Okay, 4a squared. Then 5 3s are 15 into 15. 15 4s are 60 into a squared plus the next one 3 into 2a 5 squared. Okay, 5 write 2 times. 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25. 25 into 3, 75. 75 into 2, 150 into a plus 5 cube. 5 write 3 times. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5, 125. The last one answer 8a cube plus 60a squared plus 150a plus 125. The next one, third subdivision 3p plus 4q the whole cube. Comparing 3p plus 4q the whole cube with a plus b the whole cube. A value 3p, b value 4q. Substitute the given identity. A value 3p plus b value 4q the whole cube is equal to a value 3p the whole cube plus 3 into a squared, the 3p the whole squared, b value 4q plus 3 into A value 3p, b squared 4q the whole squared plus b cube 4q the whole cube. Okay, 3 write 3 times, 3 3s are 9, 9 3, 3 write 3 times, 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Okay, p cube. Then p into p, p into p into p, p cube. Then first one 27 p cube. The next step 3p the whole squared. 3 3s are 9, 9 p into p squared. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 4 108 p squared q. The next one 3p into 4q the whole squared. 4q write 2 times. 4 4s are 16. 16 into q, q squared. 16 q squared. 3 3s are 9p. Okay, 16 into 9, 16 into 9, 144. P into q, q squared. Okay, plus 4q the whole cube. 4q the whole cube. 4q into 4q. 4 4s are 16. First to multiply the number. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 4, 64. Q into q, q squared. Next another one q, then q cube. Then last one answer 27 p cube plus 108 p squared q plus 144 p q squared plus 64 q cube. Next fourth subdivision 52 the whole cube is equal to 50 plus 2 the whole cube. Then 52 write separate 50 plus 2. Okay. Then comparing 50 plus 2 the whole cubes with a plus b the whole cube. A value 50, b value 2. Okay. Substitute the given identity. Substitute the given identity. A value 50, b value 2. Then a value 50 the cube 50 cube plus 3 into a squared 50 the whole squared into b value 2. The next plus 3 into a value 50 b value 2 the whole squared plus b value 2 the whole cube. Then 50 write 3 times. 50 into 50 into 50 into 50 into 50. Okay, first multiply number 5 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 25 into 5 125. Then 125 write 3 0 having put 3 0. Are you understand? Then next 3 into 50 square. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 25 into 120 having then 2500. Okay, into 3, then into 3, then next into 2. Okay, 2 3s are 6. Then 25 into 6 first to multiply. 6 5s are 30, remaining 3. Okay, 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 3 15. 150 20 having. Okay, 15,000. Okay, the next one 3 into 50 into 2 square. 2 square means 2 2s are 4. Okay, 4 into 50 200. 200 into 3 600. Okay, the next 2 write 3 times. Then 2 into 2 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then 1,25,000 15,608. All the one add means the answer is equal to 1,40,608. The next fifth subdivision 104 the whole cube. The write separately 100 plus 4. Comparing the value 100 plus 4 with a plus b the whole cube. A value 100, b value 4. Substitute the given identity. Okay. A value 100, b value 4 the whole cube is equal to a value 100. Then cube means you put cube plus 3 into a squared b. 3. A value 100, the square means you put square, b value 4. Then plus 3 into a value 100, b squared, b value 4, the 4 squared plus b cube, b value 4, the whole cube. 100 write 3 times. Okay, 100 into 100 into 100. Okay, totally how many 0? 2 0, 4 0, 6 0. 1 put 6 0 coming. Okay, the next one 3 into 100 squared. 2 times 100 right. 4 0 having. 4 3s are 12. Then 12, put back side 40. The next one, 4 4s are 16. 16 3s are 48. Then 2 0 having 4800. Fourth, write 3 times. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. Then all the one add means the answer is equal to 11,24,864. The next one, question number 3, expand 5 minus x the whole cube. Then second subdivision, 2x minus 4y the whole cube. Then third subdivision, ab minus c the whole cube. The fourth subdivision, 48 the whole cube. Fifth subdivision, 97x into y the whole cube. Then second subdivision, second question, all the one plus formula. Okay. Then third question, all the one minus formula. Are you understand? Solution. The solution for first subdivision, 5 minus x the whole cube, comparing 5 minus x cube, the given identity a minus b. Then center symbol minus means you put minus formula, a minus b the whole cube. We have a value 5, b value x. Substitute the given identity. Okay, a value 5, b value x. Then a cube, 5 cube minus 3 into a squared, 5 squared, b value x. Then put x plus 3 into a value 5, b value x, x squared minus b cube, x cube. Okay. Then 5 write 3 times. 5 5 is 25. 25 into 5, 125. Then 3 into a squared b, 5 squared into b value x. Okay, 5 5 is 25. 25 into 3, 75. Okay, then 125 minus 75x. Okay, the next one, 3 5s are 15 into x squared, 15x squared plus 15x squared. Okay, minus x cube, minus x cube. Okay, then last one answer for 125 minus 75x plus 15x squared minus x cube. The second subdivision, 2x minus 4y the whole cube, comparing 2x minus 4y the whole cube with a minus b the whole cube. A value 2x, b value 4y. Substitute the given identity. A value 2x, b value 4y the whole cube equal to a value 2x the whole cube minus 3 into a value 2x the square, 2x the whole squared, b value 4y plus 3 into a value 2x, b cube, b value 4y the whole square. This one is square. Okay. Square minus b value 4y the whole cube. Then 2x, then write to 2 times, 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then 8x cube. The next one, 2x write 2 times. 2 2s are 4, x into x, x squared. Okay. Then 4 3s are 12. 12 into 4, 48, x squared into y plus 4 squared. 4 squared, 4 4s are 16. 16 into 3 2s are 6, 96 x y squared minus 4 cube into y cube. 4 write 3 times, 64 into y cube, then y cube. The last answer, 8x cube minus 48x squared y plus 96x y squared minus 64 y cube. The next third subdivision, ab minus c cube, comparing ab minus c cube with a minus b the whole cube. We have a value ab, b value c. Substitute the given identity. A value ab the whole cube minus 3a, a value ab, b value c plus a value ab, b value c the whole squared minus b value c cube. Then ab write 3 times, then a cube, b cube minus 3 into, then a squared, b squared into c plus 3 into ab, c c squared minus c cube. The last one answer. The fourth subdivision 48 the whole cube. Then write 50 minus 2. 48 the whole cube. How to write? 50 minus 2. 50 less 2. The answer is equal to 48. Okay. Then comparing 50 minus the 2 the whole cube with a minus b the whole cube. A value 50, b value 2. Substitute the given identity. 50 minus 2 the whole cube is equal to a value 50 cube minus 3 into a value 50, b value 2. Then plus 3 into a value 50, b squared, then 2 the whole squared minus b value 2 the whole cube. Okay, 50 write 3 times, 5 5 are 25, 25 into 5, 125, then 3 0 having, put 3 0. The next one 50 write 2 times, 50 into 50, 5 5 are 25, 25, then 2 0 having, 2 0 putting. Okay. Then 3 2s are 6, 6 into 25, 150, then 3 0 having. Okay, plus 50, 2 2s are 4, 4 into 50, 200, 200 into 3, 600, minus 8. First add plus number only. Then 1,25,000 plus 600, 1,25,600. Then next minus symbol add. Okay, two symbols same means add 15,000 plus 8. 15,000 plus 8. Then two symbol different means subtract. Then 10 less 8. The answer is equal to 2. This one is 9. 9 right. This one is 5. Then 5 right. 0 1 1. The answer is equal to 1,10,592. 97 x the whole cube. Then 97 the whole cube, x cube, y cube, right. Then 97 how to write? 100 minus 3 the whole cube. 100 minus 3 means 97 cube. Then the next x cube, y cube. Comparing 100 minus 3 the whole cube with a minus b the whole cube. A value 100, b value 3. Substitute the value given identity. Then 100 minus 3 the whole cube is equal to a value 100. Then cube means you put cube. Minus 3 into a value 100. Then a squared. Then put a squared. The 100 squared. B value 3. Plus 3 into a into b squared. 3 into a value 100, b squared, b value 3, then 3 squared, minus b cube, b value 3, the whole cube. Then 100 write 3 times, then 100 into 100 into 100. Okay, 60 come, 20, 40, 60 having, you put 60. The next step, 3 into 100 write 2 times. Okay, 40, 3 3s are 9, 90,000. Next, 3 into 100, 3 square, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, then 27 into 100, 2,700. 3 write 3 times, 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Then first, then two numbers subtract means answer is equal to 9,10,000. Then this one is subtract means 2,673. Then 2 also add means the answer is equal to 9,12,673. The back side x cube into y cube. The next one, fourth question, simplify p minus 2 into p plus 1 into p minus 4. Comparing p minus 2 into p plus 1 into p minus 4 with x plus a, x plus b, x plus c. We have x value p, x value p, a value 2 minus 2. Then x value p, b value plus 1, x value p, c value minus 4. Okay, substitute the given identity. X plus a into x plus b into x plus c is equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c into x squared plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus ABC. Okay, then x value p cube plus a value minus 2, b value plus 1, c value minus 4 into x squared means p squared plus a value minus 2, b value 1. Okay, minus 2 into 1 plus b value 1, c value minus 4, then 1 into minus 4, then c value minus 4, a value 2, then minus 4 into 2, then x value p plus a value minus 2, b value 1, c value minus 4. Okay, then b cube. Okay, two symbols same means add minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 plus 1, then answer minus b squared. Then next one, 1 into 2 minus 2, 1 into 4 minus 4, 4 2s are 8 plus 8. Okay, two symbols same means add, minus 2 minus 4 add mean minus 6, 8 minus 6, the answer is equal to plus 2. Okay, plus 2p plus then 2 into 1 minus 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8, then plus 8. The last one answer p cube minus 5p squared plus 2p plus 8. The next question number 5, find the volume of the cube whose side is x plus 1 centimeter into centimeter. Solution, given side of the cube x plus 1 into centimeter, volume of the cube, side the whole cube, cubic units is equal to, then side value x plus 1 the whole cube into centimeter cube. We have a plus b the whole cube formula, a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3a b squared plus b cube into centimeter cube. Compare the value, a value x, b value 1. Substitute the given identity, x plus 1 the whole cube is equal to x cube plus 3x squared into 1 plus 3x into 1 the whole squared plus 1 cube into centimeter cube. Volume is equal to x cube plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1 into centimeter cube. The next question number 6, find the volume of the cuboid whose dimension are x plus 2 into x minus 1 and x minus 3. Given the dimension of the cuboid as x plus 2, x minus 1 and x minus 3. Volume of the cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, L into B into height, units. Okay, x plus 2 into x minus 1 into x minus 3 units. We have compare the x plus a, x plus b, x plus c is equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c into x squared plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. Then x value is equal to x, a value plus 2, b value minus 1, c value minus 3. Substitute the given identity, the answer is equal to x cube minus 2x squared plus minus 2 plus 3 minus 6 into x plus 6. The last one answer, x cube minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6 units. Objective type questions. Question number 7, if x squared minus y squared is equal to 16 and x plus y is equal to 8, then x minus y is dash. This one is the a squared minus b squared formula. Then a squared minus b squared formula means a plus b into a minus b. Then x squared minus y squared is equal to 16. Then this one is formula x plus y into x minus y. Okay, these two values also same. Then x plus y value is equal to 8. Then x minus y value, then 16 means 8 2s are 16. Then x minus 2 value is equal to 2. Okay. Then next, a plus b the into a cube minus b cube divided by a squared minus b squared. Okay. A plus b. A plus b. A cube minus b cube, the formula a minus b into a squared plus AB plus B squared divided by A squared minus B squared means A plus B into A minus B. Okay. Then A plus B cancel. A minus A minus B cancel. The answer is equal to A squared plus AB plus B squared. Okay. B. Second one answer B. Then next one B plus Q into B squared minus B plus Q squared is equal to. This is an identity. B cube plus Q cube. Okay. B cube plus Q cube. A1 answer. 9th question A answer. The next 10th question A minus B is equal to minus 3. A minus B is equal to 3 and AB equal to 5. Then A cube minus B cube. A cube minus B cube. A minus B the whole cube formula. A cube minus 3A squared B plus 3A B squared minus B cube. Okay. Then given question, you find A cube minus B cube. This one A, this one B. Then A cube minus B cube. See, minus 3A squared B plus 3A squared. Then minus 3A B common. Then A minus B. A minus B. Okay, then minus 3AB. Move this side. Move this side. Already this side A minus B the whole cube having. Okay. A minus B the whole cube plus 3AB into A minus B. AB value 3. A minus B value 3 the whole cube plus AB value 5. 3 into AB value 5. 3 into 5 minus 3. Okay. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 3 5s are 15. 15 into 3 45. 27 plus 45. The answer is equal to 72. Fourth one, 10th question answer 72. The last one A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B the whole cube. A plus B the whole cube minus. This one formula A plus B the whole cube formula. A cube plus 3A squared B plus 3A B squared plus B cube. Okay, then A cube plus B cube. A cube plus this one is A cube plus B cube. A cube plus B cube. This one is 3AB common. Take outside. This side inside A plus B. 3AB. This side move means an answer is equal to this one formula A plus B the whole cube formula. This one move this side means minus 3 into AB into A plus B. The last one answer 3A into A plus B. And first one answer is 2. Second one answer is equal to A squared plus AB plus B squared. Third one answer, 9th question answer B cube plus Q cube. Then 10th one answer 72. Okay, then 11th one answer 3A into A plus B. 3A into A plus B. Today recap exercise 3.3 sum number 2 to 6 and adjective type questions. Today homework exercise 3.3 sum number 2 subdivision 1 to 5 write home test. Thank you dears.